Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you skincare products I cannot live without. Yes, I'm sure you'll be wondering, what are these products? Don't worry, I'm going to show them. I can never, ever, 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 never, ever, ever do without these products. Watch, enjoy, and watch to the end, all right? So if you're new here, you're welcome. Hi, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, affordable skincare routines, affordable skincare products that helps give you a glowy, beautiful, radiant, flawless, youthful, young skin. If you love skincare, then do well to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments for me in the comment section, and also share this video. For my returning subscribers and supporters, thank you all. You guys are just the best. Yeah, I love you all. Thank you all for always coming back to watch and supporting my video. God bless you all. So let's dive straight into the videos. One thing I know I can't do without is my bathing soap. I have to bathe. So I have a bathing soap right here that I use. Yeah, I cannot do without my bathing soap, which I use to bathe on my body. So this is one item I cannot do without. Some people use their bathing wash. They have like liquid wash or liquid soap that they use. For me, I use my bar soap. So I definitely cannot do without bar soap, which I must use to bathe and clean up my body because I have to be clean daily. All right, my skin needs cleansing, so I cannot do without my bathing soap. My face wash, I cannot do without my face wash. This is one item I cannot do without as well. You always need a face wash. You always need to wash your face and wash it thoroughly. So I cannot do without my face wash. This is one item I cannot do without. Yeah, I can, if my face wash is finished and I don't have, I can use a bathing soap. But I don't like using bathing soap on my face because it's meant for your body. It's not made for your face. So face wash are made specifically for your face so that you use it to clean. It's specifically for your face. It's not harsh. It's very soft and tender to your face. So you definitely need a face wash. This is one thing I cannot do without. I cannot do without my facial scrub. I must use my facial scrub. Like I do this twice a week. It helps because before I started skincare, I didn't know anything about facial scrub. I didn't know how effective it was until I started using facial scrub. I make sure I use my facial scrub twice weekly, every Wednesdays and Sundays. Every Wednesday, I don't forget, like I'm so used to it. It's in my routine. Every Wednesdays and Sundays, I apply my facial scrub, use it to scrub my face. What does it do? It helps to brighten my skin. It helps to fade away dullness from my skin. And it contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten your skin. Vitamin C gradually fades away dullness from your skin when you apply it consistently for a longer period of time. So that's what it does. So it helps stimulate my skin and give me like a natural glow, which I love. So I don't do without my facial scrub. Let's move to my skincare routine that I cannot do without. All right. So first things first is my toner. I cannot do without applying my toner, which helps to prepare my skin for my skincare routine. I'm using Beauty Formulas Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic. I cannot do without my serum. So I'm using this a polypeptide serum by Face Facts polypeptide serum. So this is one other product I cannot do without on my daily skincare routine. And for your information, I use all these products morning and evening. I use them twice daily. So if I have my bath, I have to use them twice daily, morning and evening, for best results. These products to be very effective. So I cannot do without my serum, my face serum after applying my toner. Next is I apply my serum. I must apply my moisturizer before I go out, which helps with my skin. It helps to moisturize my skin. It helps to freshen my skin. It helps to fade away dark spots for me. It helps to hydrate my skin. Yes, it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It helps with anti-aging as well. It gives me like a plump skin. It helps me look young and fresh and youthful. So I cannot do without my moisturizer. No, 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 no. Moisturizer, we use it every day, morning and night, especially in the night, because moisturizers work best at night. So I use it especially in the night, but I apply it day and night every day. Even if you don't apply anything, you must apply your body lotion. I apply this is specifically for my body and not for my face. So I cannot do without my body lotion. I must apply my body lotion on my body. All right. You can use any body lotion that you have, but for me, I use Nivea Radiant and Beauty, even Glow. It helps to brighten my skin. It's very good for my skin, so I don't play with it. Like, this cream is underrated. It is very underrated, and I don't know why, but it is very good. But people that use it know the secrets to this cream, that it is very powerful. So it's a body lotion that helps to even your skin, gives you, like, if you use it consistently for a longer period of time, it's even called an even glow. So it evens your skin and give you like a, like, see my skin now, guys. See my skin. Like, this is very powerful. It contains pearl extract, turmeric, SPF. It has SPF, which helps with sun. You know, if the sun is affecting your skin, it helps to clear off every free radicals, help to, purify your skin, repair your skin. So it contains, and it's for all skin type, and you can notice the visibility in 2 weeks. From 2 weeks, you can notice how visible it is. So this is by Nivea, and it's called Nivea's Radiant and Beauty Even Glow, which is very good. So I cannot do without my body lotion. All right. Then next is my hand cream. Hand cream is very important. You're noticing I have fresh hand, smooth hand, because of this, because of hand cream. If you're applying cream, don't just apply on your face, your body, and forget your hand. Your hand needs care as well. Your hand needs care. So make sure you're caring for your hand. Get good hand cream that has good fragrance. Like, this one smells so good. The fragrance is out of this world. Like, you apply it on your hand smells so good and so fresh. You touch someone, you shake someone, it has, like, it's high in perfume. It's high in perfume. The perfume they added to this hand wash, it's it's on another level. Like, it's extra. So if you're applying it, you're not just applying a hand cream, you're applying a hand perfumed hand cream. So it's two in one, because it smells so good on your hand and it makes your hand feel so fresh and so smooth. Like, my palm, it gives me like a smooth baby palm. My palm is so smooth, feels smooth when I apply it. Like, let me apply it so that I love the fragrance. I love the smell. It smells so good. And I don't apply much of it. All I need is just like a little of it. Just apply a little on my hand, and that's it. Just little, and it's so good. Like, you apply it all over your hand, everywhere. It touches, it goes everywhere and smoothens your hand and smells good as well. I cannot do without my hand cream. Yeah, I cannot. Then sunscreen, which is more important. Like, I saved the best for the last. I cannot do without sunscreen. Like this, even if I don't apply all these products, this is more important than everything here. Yeah, this is more important. My sunscreen, I cannot go anywhere without my sunscreen. I apply it daily, every day before I go out. I don't forget this. Even if I forget any other thing, but this, no, 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 I don't forget this. So my sunscreen is very important. I apply my sunscreen. This is SPF by Dr. Sun. This is SPF medium protection, SPF 60, UVA, UVB, sun protective face and body cream to apply it. I bought it because it's bigger and I can apply it not just on my face or neck. I can apply on my hand, my leg, and every part of my body. So it's a sunscreen that is good. You can apply for both body and face. For your face and your body, is water resistance, it has bioprotection, and it repairs your skin DNA. It contains moisturizer and it protects your skin from photo aging. So it's a moisturizer and also or sunscreen, which is SPF 60, which is a higher SPF. Yes, it's a higher SPF that helps to protect your skin. All right. So I don't go anywhere without my Dr. Sun sunscreen, sun protection, or sunblock, or sunscreen, whatever. but I don't go anywhere without this. This is very, very, very important out of all these products that you've seen. This is very important. Then vitamin C. I have my vitamin C facial wipes, which I cannot do without. I can use any facial wipes, but I specifically went for vitamin C because it does help with brightening of every dullness. So I use this after my makeup. So after applying all these products, then I apply my makeup. Like I'm applying a makeup now. So if I want to clean off this makeup, this is what I use. All I need is just to take one wipe from it, just take one or two wipes, then use it to clean off every makeup on my face. After cleaning, then I can wash my face with my face wash. All right, I can wash my face with my face wash after cleaning. Sometimes when I'm too tired, maybe I want to go to bed and I'm too tired to use my face wash, I can just use this ordinarily, have my bath and use this, and I'm good because it's also high, it contains vitamin C, which helps to protect and purify my skin. So it is very good. So I use this to clean off every makeup and it helps to brighten and take away every dullness from my skin because it contains vitamin C, which brightens your skin and which also helps with collagen formation on your skin as well. So I don't do without, I cannot do without my facial wipes, which I use to clean off my makeup on my face. All right. Then another thing I can't do without is my lip balm. All right. So this is a lip oil by Zuola. It helps to soften your lip. So it's not just a lip oil. This one helps with softening, helps to soften your lip. It helps to make your lip shine. It helps to shine your lip as well. All right. So you just apply it. This is one thing I cannot do without. So after cleaning my makeup, I'll definitely apply this. So it helps to soften my lip. It helps to, keep my lip firm and soft and smooth. All right. So one product or one item I cannot do without is my lip balm or my lip gloss, all right, or my lip oil, whichever way, but the lip has to be fresh. Then lastly, what I cannot do without lastly is my roll-on. Roll-on. Anywhere I'm going to, I must apply my roll-on. You want to smell fresh. You want to smell good. The weather is hot, you need to apply roll-on. I see people go out, most people go out and they pass you and oh my god, the odor that comes out. Yeah, I'm not saying there, but please, what happens to roll-on? This thing is not expensive. This is like 2,000 naira in Nigeria. So you can get it 2,000 naira and you smell good for like a whole month. I use this for like a whole month. Every month you just get one and you have your bath. Make sure you shave your armpit. I have video of how to shave your armpit, how to use shaving stick, how to use Vit hair remover to remove the hair on your armpit, and you apply your roll-on. Very easy. So once you shave that area, make sure it is smooth and clean, just like your baby skin. You apply your roll-on and you go anywhere and you smell good and fresh. All right. So please, your skin needs this too. It doesn't just need all this product, it needs a good roll-on so you can smell. This is for you to smell good. It makes you smell fresh, smell good. It works 24 hours. So in the next 24 hours, no, this is even 72. Funny enough, they said it works 72 hours. It's a black carbon antibacterial. This is Nivea Deep Extreme. They have different type. They specifically said for men. For me, because I sweat a lot, so I use men products more. I use for perfumes and roll-ons, I prefer to use the one for men because I sweat a lot. So I don't use women's products or women's perfume or deodorants or roll-ons are mild and I sweat a lot, so I can't use a mild product. So I use a very hard product like the one for men. That's men sweat more and I sweat more. That's why I don't like hot weather. If you guys know me on this channel, you know I always complain about heat and sweat, that I don't like heat because I sweat a lot. This is one last product I know I cannot do without. If I can do without every other thing here, this one, no, no, no. What are you using? What are those products you are using that you cannot do without? Let me know in the comment section, all right? I'd love to hear from you. For affordable skincare products, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.